Hey feelers, this is not your regular episode because we are making bed cam. Yes, not that bed cam ni Sabrina Carpenter. Before we start, feelers, don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels. That's at Feelings XBLAINED on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, give us that 5-star rating sa Spotify, please.
Also, be a certified feeler today by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Our bank account details are also in the description box of each and every episode so you can donate to support the show. We drop new episodes every Friday. And if you guys have your own feelings na gusto nyo i-share, na kailangan nyo ng help, an advice, or whatever, gusto nyo lang magbahagi ng inyong saloobin at i-explain namin, you can email us at feelingsxplained@gmail.com.
Gian, let's do this. What is your small win or shit of the week?
Shit of the week.
Okay.
I have a shit of the week kasi matagal ko na siyang shit of the week. Yun ang shit of the week ko. Matagal ko ng shit of the week itong hinahabol kong something na I don't wanna go into the specifics of it, but maybe in a later episode or in the future Feelings Explained season, ay mapag-usapan natin ang topic na ito. Pasensya na kung vague ako.
Yeah.
Oo, pero parang it's about something that, you've rendered already. You're just waiting for that something para lang, to close the loop of things.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pa siya nangyayari at I'm getting impatient about it.
Gets.
And I am indeed a very impatient person. You know that. So, nandun ako sa mode na parang, alam mo yun, ganon.
Yeah.
So, alam to ng lahat ng taong nakapagtrabaho na. Yun.
Amen.
Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. So, that is my entry. How about you? What is your small win or shit of the week?
Ako, I have a small win. Although, as you guys can see, we are not in our usual place if you're watching in videocast.
Yes.
We are not in our usual place where you can see the Feelings Explained
The couch.
logo, the couch. We're not there. So we're in a room. We're wearing bathrobes. We're feeling ourselves. So if I guess it's a day for us then. So yeah, that's one of my small wins where we just get to enjoy each other's company platonically. Kasi baka mamaya may iba ang utak dito.
Oo.
Platonic lang po ang aming relationship ni Gian.
Amen to that.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Okay, so this episode is quite interesting kasi hindi ko pa siya fully nababasa. Yun. Hindi ko siya fully nababasa kasi we want a very raw, explanation of things and take on what we thought of this feeler. Ang subject line niya ay feeling advanced sepangs with a colleague. So let me read to you this entry from our feeler. Sabi niya, "Hi Parang Gian, low-key feeler lang ako, specifically small boobs with big feelings, and share ko lang what is this I'm feeling. I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same."
Ay, taray.
Yun na sabi niya. Ay, kumanta. Anyway, serious mode na. I just want to share my current story and ask about your feelings na rin for this. Sabi niya, I am working closely every day with my immediate supervisor. Para na rin kaming magkabarkada kasi ganoon siya ka-okay mag-handle ng staff niya. Magaling rin si supervisor as a person, matalino siya at laging gustong nag-grow at laging may ina-achieve sa buhay niya. Ganoon din ako dati pero nagbago na kasi ako. Mas komportable na ako ngayon sa simpleng buhay. Ayoko ng komplikadong buhay. Nag-apply si boss sa ibang department at mukhang positive ang magiging resulta. Sa madaling sabi, baka maiwan niya na ako at mag-iba na ang boss ko. Super sarap niya ka-work kasi natutulungan niya talaga ako mas-solve ang mga bagay-bagay. Hindi nga lang sa trabaho, minsan sa personal pa. Kailangan ko sana ang tulong nyo kung paano mag-move forward sa ganitong sitwasyon. Wala pa pero nasisepangs na ako sa boss ko. Hindi ko alam nangyayari sa akin kapag lumipat na siya at maiba na ang supervisor ko. Naranasan niyo na rin ba yung ganito nakakling sa trabaho? How to be strong, independent woman ulit. Ha ha ha. Sana may sense naman itong shinare ko and cheers to all of our feelings. Salamat. To close, sabi niya, willing to share blood, sweat, and tears with you. Always on the go, girl. Yan.
Okay. So, itong si Always on the Go Girl, di ba sabi niya parang it's just like different department but same company.
Oo. Yun din ang pagkakaintindi ko. Yes.
Okay. Sige. Ako ang sa'kin, I feel like in terms of advice on how to deal with things, I
Yeah.
think malalapitan mo pa naman din siya, Pero
Correct.
hindi naman siya like nawala
Completely.
completely.
Oo.
But I get the separation from kasi wala na yung day-to-day activities
Correct.
nyo. Kasi yun yung mamimiss mo
Oo.
madalas
Yeah.
But I think in a ano ba, on a surface level,
Yeah.
maano mo siya, nagigets ko siya na paano ako makaka-move on.
Oo. Kasi may transition din naman na mangyayari.
Yeah, may
I
transition
think.
naman yan.
Yeah.
Tsaka syempre, iniisip mo din na yung papalit ba, assuming lang na hindi
Oo.
niya alam kung sino yung papalit na magiging supervisor niya is magiging okay ba yung ano
Tama.
namin, yung rapport namin.
Yeah.
Kasi it's hard to not compare.
Of course.
Di
Yeah.
ba?
Lalo na kung ito na, meron na siyang benchmark of, ito yung type of supervisor or boss that I want to work with and work for.
Yeah.
Gets ko.
We've said this before na importante na your immediate supervisor or your managers are important in
Yeah.
your life kasi they make or break your everyday working life.
Yeah, totoo. Tapos she asks, naranasan niyo na ba yung ganito kakling sa trabaho?
For a time, yeah. I will admit sa corporate kasi
Oo.
yung supervisor ko nun before close kami
Oo.
To the point na parang I remember saying na madam kung aalis ka, let me know. Tapos kung may
Oo.
opening sa inyo,
Yung
ito
ganung
ako,
level.
yung ganung level.
Oo.
I remember. But then, syempre, there were some realizations that
Yeah.
woke me
Aha.
to a few things. But like, at the end of the day, naka-move on naman din tayo. Kasi,
Eventually. Yeah.
eventually, kasi ang sa akin, I instilled it in my mind na kung paano yung treatment ng previous manager or supervisor, hindi ko pwedeng i-benchmark katulad nung sa isa.
Oo.
Kasi or yung pumalit.
Yep.
It would be unfair
Yeah.
to the person coming in kasi number one, iba rin yung working relationship niya sa iba sa
Oo.
previous niya at saka
Yeah.
I think it would be much more healthy for you, of course, always on the go girl, to like create a new way to find that rapport or
Yep.
something since always on the go ka naman, find that
True.
adventure, di ba?
Oo, find your own adventure. Oo, kasi tama, hindi din kasi siya one size fits all.
Yeah.
Na parang, okay, porque ganito yung dati kong supervisor, kailangan ganito na siya. Tapos pag hindi siya ganito, ibig sabihin, hindi siya magaling or hindi siya effective for
Yeah,
me. Parang, may kanya-kanya Like, diba? I mean, tayo namang lahat, parang, we have our own way of doing things. It's a matter of how do we work around what our current
The
situation
system,
is.
yeah.
Yeah. Ako kasi, ang feelings ko dito about her thing is, I understand that feeling of gusto ko kapitan to kasi ito na yung sanay ako.
Yeah.
Nagpunta kasi siya sa akin
Gets,
Which is
yeah.
something na, honestly, this is something to be envious about.
Yeah,
I
totoo.
feel parang, ang sarap ng ganito, pero nakakainis nga na, shit, bakit mawawala siya?
Yeah.
I have this good thing and I don't want it to go away.
Yeah.
Yeah, di ba? Parang ganon. Pero ako, parang meron ba akong ganon? I think there was. I remember having this very awesome supervisor because, well, she wasn't my immediate kasi. That's the thing. She was our big boss. And then, meron pa akong immediate supervisor. But I wanted to be like that person, the big boss. Siya yung talagang I look up to a lot, like the respect, like she has those values of a leader na gusto ko and manager. So parang ang sarap niyang katrabaho in that way because you get to learn talaga, ganun-ganon. Pero hindi naman ako sobrang attached dun sa job na yun. Kasi ito yung, hindi talaga.
You were more attached to the manager than the job.
Amen, oo.
The big boss.
Yes, the big boss. But then that big boss also she was actually my friend.
Yeah.
Prior being my big boss.
Yeah.
And then after that, friends pa rin talaga kami. Up until now, like really good friends. And she's amazing. She's amazing talaga. Parang nobody's like her. Yun ang masasabi ko. Na ang sarap nga. Ang sarap nga. Gets
Totoo.
itong ramdam niya na parang, ito na, I had this really, really good. But then, tama ka rin na parang, parang wala talagang forever.
Totoo.
Kahit sa workplace, diba? So, it's a matter of finding that rhythm again with another person.
Yeah, yun nga lang din yung mahirap. Like, give this person a chance kahit
Yun.
may mga naririnig kang sabi-sabi na, oh, this person's a bitch or this
Oo.
person is
Baka naman
misogynistic.
wala.
Baka naman, let's
Baka.
let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Tapos you can make your own conclusions during
Yeah.
during the time na you're making
Yeah.
the rapport and everything.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, yung supervisor mo, you can still talk to them. Pwede kang mag-rant sa kanya kung gusto mo, kung ayaw mo yung pamamalakad na parang, what the fuck naman tong taong to? O, di ba? Pwede mo naman din, di ba? I mean, you can hate on shit.
Yes.
Parang, hala, bakit naman ganon? Di ba? Or if you want, you could still continue being friends and ask for personal advice. I don't think naman din na transferring to a department or transferring to another company, regardless, or, di ba?
Oo.
Maghahat lang siya.
Mag-e-end na yung relationship. Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, that's one thing I wanna add na good thing then na parang, I think, you can take that supervisor leaving or basically transferring an opportunity rather than a loss. Na opportunity siya to build your relationship outside the work na parang na immediate supervisor mo siya. 'Di ba? Yung parang kumbaga you can deepen that friendship as former supervisor mo siya. Pero ngayon mas nagiging pwedeng mag-extend yung relationship nyo into really good friends. If
Yeah.
there is that parang opening to that. Kasi
Yeah.
pwede mo naman talaga maging kaibigan, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kung nandun kayo sa level na yon. Wag nating ipilit. Hindi naman sa lahat ganon. Pero kasi ako, pagka may personal relationship na ako na nabuo, na nagsimula sa professional, minsan nag-ano siya nagte-transcend siya until personal. Which is a great thing na parang, oh yeah, that's something na pwede mong gawin. Parang you don't have to let the professional side of things stop you from being friends with somebody.
Yeah.
Even your boss. But I would say na hindi talaga ako ganun all the time.
Yeah.
I'm very, compartmentalize ko yan, di ba?
Gets.
I'm very like, nako, boss ko siya, boss ko lang siya. Pero ngayon, natututunan ko ng makipaglaro. Like parang, ganon. Ito kasi hindi siya nag-work. Parang it didn't even work for me when I tried to compartmentalize. Why would I do that again? So I'm trying an approach where let's try to meet halfway. Or in between the two. Wag natin masyadong damdamin yung label na boss kita. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Before kasi talagang I put so much respect to the oh yeah, that's my boss or that's the person who I work for and work with. So kailangan ganito lang. Ganon ako dati previously. But then parang ngayon, sige, pwede ko na pala. Kaya ko na pa silang i-let in. Wow.
Yeah.
Ganon. So
ako yung ganyan ko naman, like I still have that boundary.
Yeah.
With of course my managers and of course our heads.
Mm-mm.
Siguro yung ibang tao lang, and I will not name names.
Yeah.
Their perception of how of the closeness is parang it parang siguro it translates lang na I don't respect them as much.
Yeah. Okay.
Na parang ang sa akin, paano respect ba yung gusto mo? Paano respect ba yung kailangan
ba?
Paano respect ba yung kailangan ipakita ko para masabi na
masabing nire-respeto kita?
May respeto ako. Ganon.
Interesting.
Which is interesting kasi
Wait, so that was you were told that by your supervisor?
No. I was
Okay.
not told.
You
but
were not
it
told.
was,
You heard.
Yes. It's a chatter.
Ooh.
It was a chatter.
Wow. Okay.
Ganon.
Gets. Okay.
So parang ako, okay, sige. Pero ang sa akin naman kasi, I will continue with what I know.
Yep.
Pero if what you think is, if that's what you think about me, or if that's what you think with
With this
everyone,
dynamic.
with this dynamic, sige, I'll be more closed off if that's what
Oo, parang yun pala yung translation kasi.
Yun yung dumating na translation and sa akin walang hard feelings yun.
Oo.
Walang problema.
Oo.
Okay, di ba?
Kumbaga, ito lang talaga.
You don't want to have a problem? No problem. Di ba?
Yeah, okay, gets. Okay. Yeah.
Ganon.
Yeah, kasi of course, there's parang iba-iba rin naman talaga yung kung paano nakikitungo yung ibang tao. Lalo na pag mga boss to their,
Totoo.
ano bang tawag sa under ng boss? Associates or something.
Yeah, associates
Yeah,
nila.
yung mga ganon, yung mga tao niya below them. Iba-iba talaga siguro nga na, lalo na depende rin sa generation kung saan sila galing.
Totoo.
Kung saan yung nakasanayan nila. Yeah.
Totoo. Kailangan na hanapin mo yung saltik nila eh.
Oo,
Tapos sasabayan mo.
Sasabayan mo. Yun siya.
Yeah.
Oo, tatama yun. Yeah, because you heard me say things.
Yeah. Yeah.
My rants about something. Pero 'di ba, again, pero ako, wag ka mag-alala kasi hindi naman to nga katapusan
Totoo.
ng pagiging ano niya. Yeah. Pero ang cute nung thought. I mean, like, I love the letter because it's so unique na parang nami-miss niya na agad yung boss.
Yeah, totoo.
Noon nga akala ko magiging love story siya eh. Hindi pala.
Talaga?
Hindi naman, pero parang may crush ka ba doon? Alam mo yun? Parang,
Yeah.
Parang, anong meron? Bakit tayo si Panks?
Akala ko naman, lilipat ng office, ng company niya.
Oo,
But,
din.
ano na pala, it's a different department.
Yeah.
Baka naman talaga
magkalayo. Oo. At saka kasi gets naman kasi 'di ba when you transfer to different teams, hindi mo na din talaga parang less na talaga yung interaction nyo between your old team members. So, yeah, gets ko yung parang, it could be a big change, especially because they work so well.
Yeah.
Diba? I think it's an opportunity talaga to like extend that to become friends.
Yeah.
Even more.
Yeah.
Yun.
Okay. So, this has been a very, very, very quick and very short episode that we hope that you love, especially ikaw, always on the go, girl. So, as usual, you have reached the end of this episode. This has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!